So in regards to the parallel minor scale of E, parallel minor and parallel major, it starts on E and ends on E. That's why it's parallel. So it depends on whether you use the major scale notes or the minor scale notes, but they're still parallel to each other. The major would be E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. And then in the scale numbers, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You notice in the major scale, it's just straight numbers. There's no sharps or flats. Because when we're talking about sharps or flats, we're talking about how it is either sharp or flat from the major scale pattern. And if anyone isn't already aware, the major scale pattern it's the same as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Have you ever heard that with solfege singing? Or different languages often use that. So when we're going through the major scale, the pattern that it goes in is either what you call a whole tone or a semitone or half tone. So a whole tone is 2 frets, like E to F sharp. Then the next one's another whole tone to G sharp, 2 frets. Now the semitone is here, G sharp to A. Then the whole tone to B, whole tone to C sharp, whole tone to D sharp, semitone back to E. So that pattern was whole tone, semitone, whole tone, semitone. And that's the pattern for the major scale. It's the same pattern depending on whatever note you start on. It still is that pattern, whatever major scale you want to be started on E. So that was the E scale. So now if we're going to do the minor, the pattern's different because the 3rd degree is flattened, the 6th degree is flattened, and the 7th degree is flattened. So the E minor scale is this: E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. So that would be 1, 2, minor 3rd or flat 3rd, 4, 5, minor 6 or flat 6, minor 7 or flat 7, back to the 8, the octave, the 1. That's the E minor scale. Those are the notes. Then you can harmonize them based off of that and watch the chord videos for that. Alright, here we go. Parallel minor series, including the 2 chromatic chords. So basically we're learning how to harmonize every single bass note in each key. We already did A, now we're going to do E. So E major, that's E major 9, E minor 9, so below E is a D sharp, that's a B over D sharp minor 7, flat 5, a D major chord, or a D7 chord, C sharp minor chord, C major chord, B major chord, D7 chord, B minor chord. After B minor, let's go to the flat 5 chord of the scale, which is B flat. I'm doing a B flat major 7 to the 4 chord. Is A major 7. I'm going to go to a minor chord now. A minor 7. After A, we get the next bass note, G sharp. G sharp minor. It's the third of the E major chord. G. After G, third of the minor chord. F sharp minor is for the major chord, F sharp, with a flat 5 is, so a C for the 5th instead of the C sharp to the F sharp chord. Then we're going to hit a flat 2 chord, which is in the key, but we'll do it anyways, F major.